this magnificent view behind us over here. And not just that, last night's sunset was absolutely beautiful. One of the best I've ever seen. So this is definitely one of my favorite campsites over here. Our next challenge is heading back down this road we came up on. So we don't have aircon anymore, but that's not too bad. It's not too warm today. But car's packed. We're getting ready to go and make our way back home after Aston's done feeding the birds.